how to make money on Upwork as a financial consultant. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money from this platform. So let's get started by creating our account. And here, make sure to join as a freelancer. Click on apply as a freelancer. And here, fill the usual information, first name, last name, and so on. After that, click on create my account. For me, I'm just going to log in and I will meet you at the profile creation. So here I'm going to type my information, password. Then we will proceed to the profile creation. And this one is the last step of creating the profile. As you can see, 10 out of 10. So let's go back to start from the first steps. And this is the first step. So here, click on get started. You'll have some questions in here to go through. Have you freelanced before? Choose one of these answers. I've chosen the first one. Same thing with these other questions. What's your biggest goal for freelancing? Choose the one that fits you. And then for these three boxes, make sure to check them all and choose them all as well, even the third one. Then click on next to create your profile. So here you have three options in order to tell the platform about yourself. You either import your resume from LinkedIn or you upload your resume from your desktop if you have it in a PDF file, or if you want to fill it out manually, it will take less than 15 minutes. So for me, I'm choosing the third one because I don't have any LinkedIn profile and I don't have any resume in my desktop. So let's start a new profile, and here you type your skill. Then you proceed to add in your experiences. If you have any previous work, you can enter it in here. Same thing with education as well. You can enter your education in here. And for the languages, here you choose all of the languages that you're good at. Upwork is global, so clients are often interested to know what languages you speak. English is a must, but do you speak any other languages? And here you choose your level in the language. My level is conversational in English, and I'm a native in Arabic, and I've studied some French. So I'm going to add all of them, Arabic, then French, and my level is basic. Then click on next to add your skills, and here you can enter your skills. Let's see if we can find a financial consultant. Let's remove consultant to see financial consulting, and that's it. And the maximum is 15 skills, so you can add as many skills as you have. There is enough room. After that, click on next to write an overview. So here, write a bio to tell the world all about yourself. So this is an example of a bio. As you can see, I'm a developer experienced in building and etc. So guys, if you want to enter a good bio for your profile, just go to ChatGPT, type I'm a financial consultant. I'm a financial consultant. Give me a bio for my Upwork profile, and it will give you a very good bio. Just make sure to check it and adjust it if there is any mistakes. Then copy and paste it in here. For me, I'm just going to take Marty's bio because I don't want to make the video too long. So just to make shortcuts, and then click on next to choose your categories. So here we've already some categories to choose from based on our previous answers. Let's go with accounting and consultant, financial planning, accounting and bookkeeping. Then click on next to set your rate. So here, let's choose a rate for our job. Let's go with $50 per hour. I believe that's the amount the financial consultants get or consultants get. Then click on next to add your photo and location. So here you fill these information, date of birth, address, city, and so on. And for the profile picture, make sure to show clients the best version of yourself. It must be an actual photo of you. Logos, clip art, group photos, and digitally altered images are not allowed. So make sure to keep that in mind. And after you're done with creating your profile, this is how you can improve it. So you don't need to log out. I'm just doing it to start from the beginning, the main page, to show you how you can improve your profile. So basically the idea is that you will go to the search box and you will type your skill and search for all of the people that are doing the same skills like you, and see the highest earners. See the highest earners in here. Look for the highest earners in these skills and see what are they doing differently. Check their profile, see how they talk about themselves or how they talk about themselves and their skills and the work they do. See how they interact with the clients and what are their previous jobs or their previous projects. Like this one, he earned more than $100,000 and he gets $85 per hour. Let's see another one. This one earned more than $200,000 and he gets $80 per hour. So let's see what this man is doing differently. He's the most earner in this skill. So I think you get the idea. Just check his profile, how he talks about himself, the degrees that they have, the experience that he has, and see the previous jobs that he's done, the ones that he have in progress. So he has 17 in progress, as you can see. Automotive startup seeking business valuer, CFO, investment consultant, job in progress, another one. So here we have a lot of jobs in progress and all of their earnings are in private. And this is his completed jobs. So you can check all of this and see what is he doing differently and try to do the same for your profile. And if you want to find work easily, just go to find work in here, click on find work for your skills and type your skill in the search box, and you'll see all of the listed jobs that are looking for your skill. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends.